So I went to this seafood disco the other day and I pulled a muscle. Pulled a muscle. Who writes this stuff?
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with another review, back to reviewing Nikes. Yes, it is long overdue. I wasn't going to do this review because these came out almost a whole year ago, but you know what? It really does deserve it. The only bacon I am going to touch, but on today's episode we are reviewing the Nike Air Max 90 DQM aka Bacon. So these did come out last year, of course on Air Max Day, and I can't believe I missed out on these. But to be fair, I was a bit too overconfident. I thought I had these in the bag, so I didn't really go for as many raffles as I should have done. But as the year went on, the prices really did tank on these, and just like I saw your mum, I was licking my lips. I was holding out, and then someone took my bid on StockX, and I think after shipping and fees, I paid about £158. And that's not too bad considering these did retail for £130. But let's keep up traditions. Let's take a closer look at the box before anything. Now this does come in the black style draw out box by Nike, and I like these boxes. They're a lot easier to get to your sneakers. And yes, they could have done something a little bit better with the box, but it is what it is. Now the sneakers do actually come with 2 spare sets of laces and arch supports as well. Now on the product sticker, it does read Nike Air Max 90 Energy. And the official colorway is SAIL-SHEEN-STRAW-MEDIUM brown. I'm just certain they're running out of names for sneakers, honestly. Now the OG release to this sneaker was of course way back in 2004, and they weren't even on my radar. If I'm really honest, I wasn't collecting back then, so I didn't even know about them. Now everyone and their mum has reviewed these sneakers. Of course they've been out almost a year. But for those who don't know, I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. The guy that collaborated on the OG sneaker was of course Dave Ortiz. He had a sneaker store that was made to look like a butcher shop. So he gave Nike his inspiration that of course resembled bacon. And lo and behold, we got the DQM Bacon Air Max 90s. Now before the Haram police get at me, bruh, it's just a shoe. I have never eaten bacon, I don't intend to, of course because of my religion. Please don't take life too seriously, they're just trainers. Now even though these have been out for quite some time now, you might just be thinking about how these fit if you're trying to buy these at resale. And for me, they don't fit quite like a recraft, I'll be honest. But after all of that said, these do still fit true to size. There's a different feel to it, don't get me wrong, compared to like the Volts or the Infrareds. But true to size for me was my best fit. Now there was so much talk for good reasons as well about the quality of this sneaker. But don't take my word for it, let's take a closer look. Now we have so many different blends of materials on this sneaker and it just works so well. We've got different blends of course of leather, nubuck and suede as well. The leather on the toe box though, honestly the best leather I have felt on a Nike sneaker from last year anyway. And you would think it would crease hard, but to be fair, it even looks good when it's creased. But if you slap some shoe trees in them, they'll look fine. Now of course we've got blends of different colours as well, such as the pinks, the creams, the burgundies, and of course this sort of off-white colour. And not to forget of course the browns. Now it's pretty symmetrical in terms of how the Air Max 90 is, and with this sneaker there's no difference there. We've got this pink tongue though that does stand out so nicely. We've got this brown Nike tag with the red Nike Air Max brand in there. And on the sock liner, something you don't really see every day, a leather finish. And it does work well, even on foot. Now on the insole, we've got that dark red colour with the Nike Air brand in there. And making our ways to the heel counter, we've got the iconic Air Max 90 badge there. And the colours do work well again. We've got the brown, of course, with the Nike Air in pink. Now the mudguard isn't the hairiest suede, but it does work well, especially in this creamy sand colour. We've got the Air Max panels in that brown as well. And then on the midsole, we've got that creamy finish, again mixed with brown. But miss it if you blink, you got the pink panels to the air bubble. And then to finish off, we've got the waffle finish to this iconic sneaker in, of course, all brown. I really do wish I got these sooner. Just look at these bad boys, honestly. Now it's a pretty silly question considering I did pay resale, but I still have to ask this. It's that part of the video, broskies, where I've got to decide whether these are a buy or a buy. Now, the Air Max 90, my favorite sneaker of all time, the greatest shoe ever made. Argue with yourself. And I'm not just saying that because I've just got these, but this is one of the best colorways of all time as well. Of course, you can't beat the OG colorways, and there are a lot of standout collabs as well. But this one, the mixture of colors, the mixture of the materials, it just works so well when it shouldn't. In my opinion, these do have sort of autumn fall vibes to it, but you could really rock these all year round. And some people I know had these on their grail list and they were so happy when these retroed. For me, I was too young back in the day, but I can certainly appreciate them now. Overall, broskies, I cannot complain one bit with this sneaker. I'm so glad I got them, and for the price as well. So you know what's coming next. I am indeed going to give these an absolute buy. But leave it down below what you think about this sneaker. Is it one you picked up on release? Or is it one you're still trying to cop? Or was this an absolute miss? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best comment. Anyways, broskies, don't forget to hit me up on IG as well if you have any questions or you just want to show me some love. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And till the next episode, take care.